myself and my husband. We have a 13, nearly 14-year-old son, Kynan, and my twin daughters, who are 11. And I do a lot of running around with the kids. Friend sleepovers and parties, and their sport basically takes up a lot of my time. I drive an 8-seater currently, so it has to fit their friends in. So it has to be able to fit the shopping in the back and suitable for, we have a caravan, so towing. So today starts with getting up, getting the kids off to school, coming to Orange and running some errands. Then I go home, I pick up my daughters from public school, I drop them home, then I get my son's cricket gear and I go and pick him up from school and drop into cricket training. Then I have a meeting with the PNC actually. I'm on 4 different committees that I go to meetings and attend meetings on as well. And then I go back and pick up my son from cricket training, and then I'll drop everyone home, cook dinner, and then probably go to another meeting. And that's my day off. So it's got to have the connectivity, so it's got to be smart and clever. And the safety rating, that's the other thing that we always look at as well. The safety rating for your family with the side curtains, all the airbags galore. It's very smooth. This is really clever, this display here. Plenty of room in the back for Kynan's cricket kit. The boot's huge. Okay, reverse parking. Oh look, okay, so that's really good. The technology and the features, like I said, they're fantastic. The wireless charger is bloody awesome, love it. The connectivity with my phone is fantastic. Oh, it tells me what the speed limit is too in this little window, Mum. Okay. It tells me what it is in a bright red circle. Right. And then it's got my speed, what I'm actually doing next to it. That's really good. It's such a zippy car. It's got really good pickup. It's very comfortable, very quick. Made a ton of phone calls with my phone and listened to my text messages while I was driving. That's a really good feature.
Black Friday deals start now 40% off almost everything. Dresses, caftans, tops from $20. Shopping.
It plays your text to you. That's so good. I love it. It's too small for my family, but for the right family, it's a great car. The boot space is fantastic. Again, I managed to fit my son's cricket gear or the kids' school bags in the back. A 900mm wall cabinet that I'm putting in a bathroom renovation we're doing went in nice and easy. I recommended it to a couple of my friends that I know are looking for new cars, and they both loved it. They looked at it and loved it. So yeah, I would, for the right family, as I said, it's perfect.